A lot of businesses approach social media marketing as a direct sales channel, but that's not the case. You see, as Gary Vaynerchuk says, marketers are on social media to sell stuff. Customers, however, are not. They are there for value. So most brands use social media to push some not so useful content in people's feeds, but they're mostly there to promote their products or services, and they're trying to use social media as a direct sales channel. But instead, as Gary says, social media is a storytelling channel. It's an engagement channel. It's an educational channel. You have to be there for what the consumer is there for. So what's your job? Not to approach social media as a direct sales channel, but instead approach it as an engagement channel, as an educational channel, as a storytelling channel. So your job should be to share content, tell stories, spark engagement, strike an emotional chord, and create brand loyalty. And as you do that, people will come to you, people will buy from you. So social media isn't a direct sales channel. It is more of an engagement channel.